Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to improve your accuracy and also as you can see my accuracy is about 86.47%, feels like 87, about around 87. And yeah, how can you really improve this accuracy? Well, first of all, what I really tell everyone to do is to install a new skin that will be comfortable for them. For me, I really like this Zeker skin, but I think, wait, let me check. Actually, yeah, Zeker skin. My favorite one is Zeker skin because it doesn't have this shadow cursor following me around, and its circles and everything else is pretty simple. Like they are pretty they are not really confusing you, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. You can see the circles and you can see everything around it. For example, if you use the skin, let me check here. I think it's this one. Wait, yes, this one. It doesn't really have even numbers. Look at it. It has only circles and points. Well, this is the first step, which is getting a good skin. For those who want to get this skin and wondering how I did get it, we can just go open your browser and go to also skins, as you can see, and choose the first one, also skin.net, and let's check the name again. It's Zeker, and we type it in here. As you can see, if we click, or let me check here, Zeker. Okay, nice. Now I can find his skins, and here we go. From here you can click on it, download it, and then drag it to your also game. After doing so, I really suggest that you don't go really intense with your games. Just go chill and easy. Choose the beat maps or the songs that you like to hear, that you enjoy hearing and you enjoy playing as well. Don't go for some famous song that you don't really like, but only because other people or other streamers play it you will go to play it as well. No, just keep it simple, play what you like and enjoy the game. Now, how can you try to enjoy the game? First of all, if you found your music and you installed it and did everything like uploading it and dragging it in here, don't go ahead and play. Even if you are good enough to play the 3-star or the 4-star map, don't go right straight ahead and play the 3-star and 4-star. Start it from the 2-star map and try to finish it step by step. As you can go forward, try to do the circles and try to like get S in every map in the easiest levels possible. As you can see, try to get an S and don't miss any single circle. After doing so, after like getting S in every easy map, then you can go ahead and play the hardest map. And yeah, what else can you do about it? Like, for example, you couldn't really get your aim improved. What can you really do about it? Well, I think you must change something about your mouse accuracy, adjust it a little bit, make its speed lower or higher. And sorry guys, and if you didn't have any improvements after doing so, I suggest you that you change from mouse and keyboard to pad and keyboard. With pad you can move very easily and you can really go so far with playing with pad and awesome. So yeah, that was the tutorial for today guys, and thank you for watching.